Welcome, explorers! Did you know that Earth has got a brand new mini moon? Let's learn all about our tiny visitor, 2024 PT5. Mini moons are tiny space rocks, much smaller than our regular moon, that temporarily orbit Earth. But unlike the moon, they don't stay for long. 2024 PT5 is a new mini moon, about the size of a school bus. Compared to our real moon, which is 3,474 kilometers wide, 2024 PT5 is like a pebble in space. This tiny asteroid will orbit Earth from September 29th to November 25th, 2024. After just 2 months, it will leave and continue its journey around the Sun. Even though 2024 PT5 will be close to Earth, it's too small and dim for our eyes or regular telescopes to see. You would need powerful equipment to spot this tiny visitor. NASA scientists are using their Deep Space Network to study 2024 PT5's size, rotation, and movement. Tracking these mini-moons helps us understand near-Earth objects better. When small asteroids like 2024 PT5 come close enough to Earth's gravity, they get pulled in and temporarily trapped in an orbit around our planet. But they don't stay long before escaping again. The last mini-moon, called 2020 CD3, was discovered in February 2020 and orbited Earth for about 3 months. These events are rare, but help us learn more about near-Earth asteroids. What makes 2024 PT5 special is that it's a great practice target for NASA to test their tracking systems. Observing these mini-moons helps improve our ability to track larger asteroids that could one day come near Earth. Did you know that 2024 PT5 travels at a speed of around 5,000 miles per hour? That's about 6 times faster than a jet plane. NASA's planetary defense team tracks over 35,000 near-Earth objects. Each year, they identify and observe asteroids like 2024 PT5 to keep Earth safe from potential collisions. After it finishes its short visit, 2024 PT5 will continue its journey around the Sun, just like thousands of other asteroids in our solar system. These comparisons help illustrate how these 3 types of celestial bodies differ based on size, orbit, and stability. If you'd like more in-depth information or need additional comparisons, check out our channel. Thanks for joining us to learn about Earth's newest mini-moon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more exciting space updates.